Alright, now that I have all the lights removed, now I will figure out where I need to position these so I can get maximum effect with 4 lights. I usually like having these branches lit up, these branches lit up, and then the outside branches here, and then the last one is in the center. And I got 3 big trunks to put all my lights off of, so I will start mounting those now. Okay, on these lights, the bracket is held on by 2 small screws, and take those off so I can mount that with some longer screws and go right into deep into the bark there, and past the bark and get into the tree. So those stay pretty solid, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to try and mount them so they have visible spread. I'm going to mount these pretty low, so I'm going to make good use of the 120-degree angle of dispersion. Alright, so we got one done. I really got to think of where I'm putting this because I'm trying to do this with just 4. Alright, so this last one I'm going to put, actually I'm going to get 2 more. I'm going to put on the outside of the tree, shooting up at that low branch, and then one I'm going to put right in the middle. I'm just going to get the inside here. Last thing I'm going to do, it's pretty hot out here, I'm sweating. Last thing I'm going to do is actually going to do an unboxing so you actually can see these up close, what they look like coming out of the box, and show you the remote also. So let's head inside real quick, do the unboxing, and I'll come back out here and install the last one in the center pointing up, and then we should be all set. Alright, before I finish this, we're going to do the unboxing from Blinngo-US. Saw me out there, I put up 3 already, and this is going to be the 4th one. It comes with the remote and the light. Pretty simple. The light is all metal housing with quite a few LEDs in there. This is a multicolored one, and it's a 10-watt LED which acts as a 60-watt incandescent. Now there's quite a few things that this remote does. Take it out here. So on this remote, to activate it, you just pull the plastic strip. But it does have a timer function. It has 2 different timer functions, which is a one-time timer, or it has around-the-clock timer. So you can set these to go on and off at a certain time of the day. And you also have a flash, strobe, fade, and smooth button, which switches through the colors at random. And you can also speed up and slow down how fast it strobes and fades. You have 16 colors on here, and when you press the white button, it is a clear light, and you have it's a sort of an amplified. It's a full 10 watts for the white light, and it's got a simple on and off also. So it's pretty straightforward, easy remote. And the one remote will work all of your lights if you get multiples like I do. So all I have is one remote, and the other 3 will be backups. So that is the unboxing. We have it's about a 6-foot cord. Actually, it's about a 4-foot cord. Like I said, full metal housing, and you have a nice heat sink. So when it heats up, it doesn't. It can dissipate the heat. And you do have the user manual you can look through, and answers all the questions you have about how to do any of the functions on here. So I'm going to go back outside. We're going to hook up this last one and hook it to power, and then we'll be ready for it to get dark. Thanks. So now all I do is just plug it in. I have a 6-outlet strip. Not for outdoors, but it's been outdoors for 6 years. So I guess it's for outdoors. I think I'll go plug them in downstairs, and then we'll test them. These are my stairs. Got tree trunks for stairs. Those look better than stairs. So we're gonna go get my cord here and just plug this in to my shed. Okay, so now we got some power up there.